What if one bedtime trick could rewire your subconscious and unlock business breakthroughs you've been grinding for? Neville Goddard's ladder technique sounds almost too simple. Before sleep, you imagine yourself climbing a ladder. Not just think it, feel the wood, the grip, the wobble under your foot. Then you leave a note on your mirror. I will not climb a ladder. Why? Because now your subconscious and conscious minds are in conflict, and your deeper belief system will win. This isn't woo. You're tapping into the hypnagogic state, the brain's gateway to rewiring patterns. Olympians use it, executives use it, and yes, entrepreneurs can use it to close deals, hire leaders, and crush launches. It's like a test run for your goals, but on a neural level. Why does it work? Because your brain doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. When you rehearse success vividly and emotionally, you're building real neural pathways. It's called mental rehearsal. Athletes do it before gold medals. Founders can do it before big wins. It primes your reticular activating system to notice opportunities that match your vision. Suddenly, the partner, the idea, the email you needed, they just show up. Not magic, just precision subconscious targeting. Here's how to make it work for you. Step 1. Pick a simple goal. Maybe it's pitching without nerves. Step 2. Visualize it nightly, not abstract, go granular. Smell the coffee in the pitch room. Hear the yes. Step 3. Write the opposite on paper. I will not pitch today. Place it where you'll see it. Step 4. Forget about it. Seriously. Go live your day. Then suddenly, it happens. The ladder shows up. The pitch lands. You didn't force it. You planted it. Now here's where it gets fun scaling it. The ladder is just a training wheel. Once you've proven to your subconscious that your thoughts shape reality, start climbing toward real business outcomes. Want a $250,000 quarter? Great. Break it into rungs: new client win, key hire, repeat revenue. Want to launch that app? Ladder it: dev handoff, beta traction, investor pitch. Every night, climb one rung in your mind. Feel it, live it, rehearse it. Most people fail because their vision is fuzzy. This forces clarity, real outcomes, real emotions, real neural reps. And the clearer the picture, the faster the reality. You're not stuck. You're not blocked. You're just untrained in how powerful your inner script is. Business doesn't start with hustle. It starts with belief. If you want more tools that align your mindset with your mission, subscribe to Monkey Mind Mechanics. Rewire, rehearse, rise.